Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes for one person. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and 1 egg ready. This simple recipe ensures a perfect single serving every time. Now let's mix the batter. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate, smaller bowl, whisk the milk, melted butter, and egg until well combined. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and even desirable for fluffy pancakes. It's time to cook. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium-low heat. Lightly grease it with a pat of butter or a quick spray of cooking oil. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and bubbles form on the surface before flipping. Enjoy the aroma filling your kitchen. Your delicious, fluffy pancakes are ready. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include warm maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. These easy pancakes are perfect for a quick breakfast or a delightful treat anytime. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.